To download Thinkorswim, start by opening the website and clicking on the Accounts and Products option. From there, select the Thinkorswim trading platform from the drop-down menu. Once selected, scroll down to find two options: the Thinkorswim desktop version and the Thinkorswim mobile version. Choose the desired version. For the desktop version, click the Login to Download button, which will prompt you to enter your login ID and password. After entering these details, the setup file will begin downloading. Once downloaded, open the file and install Thinkorswim Desktop on your PC. For the mobile version, click Login to get the app. Log in with your ID and password, and download the APK file or mobile version file to install and use Thinkorswim on your mobile device. Additionally, there is a web version available. Simply click the Login Now button. Enter your ID, and use Thinkorswim directly in your browser.